I have zero idea why internet is going crazy over this dish. They are calling it the cheese burst sandwich. But let's test the hype out. One big slice of sandwich bread or any bread will work. Some pizza sauce and some sweet corn. For the base stuffing of the sandwich, we are using coleslaw. So to make it, dice some cabbage really fine, chop it into really small pieces and mix it with some mayo. You can add oregano and chili flakes as well. Gently apply it on the bread very nicely on all the corners. For the middle layer, we are going to cut borders of the bread as we don't want too much crust in the sandwich, and gently place it on the base. For the sauce, we have tandoori mayo. You can use chipotle if you like, and some vegetables for the taste. I'm using some diced tomatoes, onions, and green peppers. Of course, a slice of cheese as well. For the last layer, I'm using combination of pizza sauce and tandoori mayo. For protein, I'm using tofu. You can switch it with any other protein, chicken as well, and some vegetables that we used before. As people said, let it rain over me. So rain some mozzarella cheese on top of the sandwich. Place it in the oven at high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. In my opinion, I would rather go with a pizza, but I think I would give this dish a score of 7. Tell me in the comments about your opinion and don't forget to subscribe.